Hi guys, and welcome to another Fusion 360 basic tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to be using some of the basic create commands in Fusion 360. So we are going to be designing this flange for that to use to illustrate it, how to use some of the basic create commands in Fusion 360. So you start by creating your component, go to your parent component, right click, new component. Okay, so we've created our new component and it is activated. Next, we turn on our origin. So we'll be using the mid bottom plane to start our sketch. So we go to create sketch and click the mid bottom plane. So we'll go for center rectangle. So our first circle will be 3.75 inches. Enter center rectangle again. Click the origin. So that will be 1.38. Enter. Yes, our next circle is with the origin 0.62 inches. Enter. Next, we are going to create our holes, the sketch for where our both holes will be. So you align it with the origin. So our both hole is 0.62 inch. Enter. Next, we are going to specify the dimension, the distance the both hole will be from the center point. So for to do that, you click any of the cycles and click the both cycle hole. So that will be 1.4 inch. Enter. Next, we'll be needing four, four of them. We'll be needing four bottles. So we go to create circular pattern. Click the sketch object, center line, center point. So click any of the circles. So we're needing four. Okay, finish sketch. Next we start making our extrusion. So click the first outer profile. So the distance for this 0.56 inch. Enter. Next you make your second extrusion. You turn on back your sketch, turn it on, go to extrude. So for this extrusion we'll be using two sides. So our first distance is minus 0.56 inch. Hit tab. 1 minus 1 over 16. That's our second distance. We're done with that. Okay. So turn off. You can turn off your sketch. Next, I'm going to create an offset plane. So you go to construct offset plane. So I'm going to be offset from the bottom of the object. So the distance is minus 2.06 inch. Minus 2.06 inches. Okay. So we've made an offset plane. So next I'm going to create a sketch on the plane. Go to create sketch, click on the plane. Go to circle, center circle again. So this diameter will be 0.84. Next, you go to project the inner circle, project project the inner circle. Okay, we are done. Finish sketch. Next, I'm going to create a loft. So turn off the original body. So we go to loft, click loft. Sorry, I mistakenly selected the rip command. Cancel. Go to create loft. So you select your two profiles. So this is the first profile, this is the second profile. You can select it in any order, it doesn't matter, and you make sure that it's in keep edge. If it's not in keep edge, you turn it back on to keep edge. Okay. Next you go to loft again for us to create the inner the inner hole. you select the inner circle, go to the bottom, the inner circle as well, and you keep it at cut. So our inner circle has been created. Yes, you turn on back your original body. So we are going to combine these two bodies together. To do that, go to combine, select bodies, target bodies, select the two bodies, leave it as combine. Okay. Yes, we are going to be applying fillets. So you go to fillets, you fillet the top. So this distance is 1 divided by 16. Fillet again. The distance will be 1 divided by 16. That's fillet radius. Okay. So now I'm going to show you another method you can use to create this. So let's create a new component. Okay, you can hide this component. So I'm going to show you another method you can use in creating this. So but for this we'll be using the front mid plane instead of the mid bottom plane to start with. So after creating your sketch, you go to line, click the origin. So the height will be 2.06 inch. Enter. Next, go to line. Now we are going to convert all your diameters to radiuses. So our first will be 3.75 divided by 2. Enter. So we go up 0.56. Stop with this distance. Okay, so we can close this geometry. Sorry, it didn't. So again, go to line to close this geometry. Click it. Yeah, so that geometry is closed. Let's go to line again. Again, so you stretch this, so this will be 1.38 divided by 2. Take it to 0 degrees. Okay, so this distance will be 1 divided by 16. 1 divided, make sure it's at 90 degrees. So now let's close up this profile, align it with the origin, and let's close the profile, enter. So yes, again 1.3 divided by 2, and click it, enter. So next, go to line again. So if you go to the top line, so this will be 0.84 divided by 2, enter. So now you connect the 2 points together, and try to snap it with the 1.38 divided by 2. I think, yeah, you just try to snap them together. You can see it didn't constrain, meaning the line is not that connected accurately. So let's delete that line. So let's just specify this distance here, so it can easily identify the distance. 1.38 divided by 2, measures at 0 degrees, enter. So click line and come down, connect it together, enter. Yes, so I think we are done. So finish sketch. Now home, Now for this we are going to be using a good create command. You go to create, you go to revolve, click revolve. So you select your profiles. So our axis will be our mid center line. You click it and 360 degrees. Yeah, so you've created your body. Yes, we are going to be creating our sketch for our boot holes. Project the two, the inner and outer circles. Okay, let's go to center circle, align it to the mid with the midline. So that's 0.62 inches. Enter. So specify the distance from the center line. That's 1.4 inch. Yeah, 1.4 inch. Enter. So let's go to circular array. Click your sketch. Center points. We'll be needing click your center points and we'll be needing 4. Okay. So when you're done, finish sketch. Next, we are going to extrude it. Go to extrude. Select the 4 cycles. So select the 4 cycles, and you can make an extrude cut. So you can just stretch it to any point you like. Just make sure it cuts all through the body. Okay. So next we'll be making the hole, the inner hole. That's where the fluid is going to pass through. So you click the top plane. That's the inner pipe diameter. So that's 0.62. Finish sketch. Extrude. You click the top. Go down. You take it to any point. You can stretch to any point. Just make sure that it cuts all through the body. Yeah, it cuts. Next, finally, we're going to add in some fillets. We click the top edge. So that will be 1 divided by 16. Okay. Fillet again. Fillet this face. So that 1 divided by 16. Okay. So you can see that you still have pretty much the same thing from the former one. So any method you wish to use